Hi, I'm Paul Drew from Production Expert. Now in this series of videos I'm showing you how to get a vintage but upfront vocal sound by using Waves plugins. So in the first video we looked at compressing the vocal, which we use the CLA 76. In the second video we use the CLA vocals to add some effects and just to shape the vocals a little bit more. Now in this video what we're going to be using is a limiter, and I'm going to be using Waves L1 for this, as it's quite a simple plugin but it sounds absolutely brilliant. First of all, let's put the plugin in bypass and let's hear the vocals.
I don't get where you're from. I make love in every language. Think of Paris or Rome. I'm too drunk to hear your accent. I'm tired of all this conversation. I need a little physical translation. They don't understand what you're saying.
So now we can use the L1 limiter to really make the vocals punch through the mix. So what we can do is use this link control here to control the threshold and the out ceiling at the same time. Let's have a look.
I don't get where you're from. I make love in every language. Think of Paris or Rome. I'm too drunk.
And let's bring up the out ceiling.
I'm tired of all this conversation. I need a little physical translation. They don't understand what you're saying. Just get up and let your body do the talking.
And let's hear that solo.
I don't get where you're from. I make love in every language.
Let's put it in
Think
bypass.
of from Paris or Rome. But I'm too drunk to hear your accent. I'm tired of all this conversation. I need a little physical translation, babe.
Now I wouldn't normally use this amount of compression and limiting on a vocal, but I think for this track it works absolutely perfectly.
I don't get
Let's hear it in the
where
track
you're
again.
from. I make love in every language. Think of from Paris or
Put it on
Rome.
auto release.
I'm too drunk to hear your accent. I'm tired of all this conversation. I need a little physical translation. Yeah.
So that's L1. Let's have a look at L2.
I don't
It's
get
exactly the same settings.
from. I make love in every language. Think of from Paris or Rome. I'm too drunk to hear your accent.
Let's try L1.
I'm tired of all this conversation. I need a little physical translation. Yeah.
Now I really like L1 on this song as it's a bit more gritty, so I'm going to keep it on that setting. So I'm Paul from Production Expert. Hope you've enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys next time.